There were honestly very few days of my high school career that I wasn't late. Especially in my senior year. Ooh, you couldn't tell me nothing. High school was just absolutely horrible for me. A bunch of girls didn't like me for literally no reason. And now they all try to be cool with me. And they all like after high school, a bunch of them were like, oh, we should hang out. No, we shouldn't. Hey guys, it's Nyra. Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you've been here before. What up? So today's video is going to be super exciting because it's back to school season. I have graduated already, so I'm not going back to school. Sorry. I graduated May of 2017, so I'm not one of those like 29, 30-year-old YouTubers trying to do a back to school makeup look. Honey, no. No. This is literally what I used to do going to school. Like, no joke. This is my everyday look going to school. And this is like a actual quick, fast, and in a hurry makeup look, so that you're not waking up 2 hours before school trying to look cute for the boy in third period who sits behind you. He can't even see all the highlighter you got on. He sits behind you, girl. When you turn around and hand the paper back, maybe. Hi, sisters. Don't I like almost look cute with my hair like pinned like that? Don't lie. It's almost cute. It's not cute though, but it's almost cute. Okay, so let's do our makeup, shall we? Okay, so first of all, the school is lucky that they're even getting you with some makeup on your face. But second of all, if you're doing makeup before school, obviously you don't want to have to wake up 3 hours prior. So everything in this look is going to be about being beat, but being fast and being efficient. That way you get enough sleep. You're not cutting down on sleep so you can wake up and do your makeup. All right, I'm going to be taking the NYX Micro Brow Pencil. This is one of the fastest brow products ever. It's like really thin, so it's easy to create hair-like strokes, but it's opaque, so you don't have to keep going over the same spot 1,000 times. I've also said in a lot of recent makeup videos, the less I do to my eyebrows, the better they look nowadays, honestly. Like if I don't try to fill them in all extra and I just follow my natural hair shape of my brows, they end up looking the best to me. Brows done. Brows only took me 3 minutes. Which is important because you all know, like if you do makeup regularly, you know how long brows can actually take. My lips are ashy. I hope they don't look dry because they feel dry, but it's cool, bro. Eyes. For eyes, we're only going to be using 2 products. This is our whole eye look right here. First of all, honestly, eyeshadow takes the longest, like in my opinion, and for my routine, eyeshadow is what takes the longest. Eyeshadow usually takes me longer than my actual face makeup. So pro tip, don't wear eyeshadow to school if you are pressed for time. But if you're not pressed for time, but you just don't want to spend like the whole time getting ready doing your eyeshadow, get a little chubby stick. This one is from e.l.f. and it's in the shade Turkish Coffee, and I really love this. I've had this forever. I've repurchased it. It's super pretty. It's brown and almost metallic like, but it doesn't look awkward when this is the only thing you're wearing on your lid, and that's what's important to me. Just gonna take that, put it all over our lid, and now just blend that out with your finger. Like, oh my god, this is like the OG makeup days. You just added a little bit of shimmer to your lid. Obviously, if you have lighter skin than I do, this may be a little dark. So I would say maybe get something a little bit darker than your skin tone with a little bit of like, kind of like shimmer or like glossy effect almost. Cause like, look at that. I don't have on an intricate eye look, but it's still giving me something, you know? Now me, I used to wear falsies to school. I was that girl. I love fake lashes. I've been wearing fake lashes like since maybe my sophomore year. Love falsies. But let's keep it real. A lot of people will not have the time or the ability at 7 o'clock in the morning to try to get that eyelash on. So we're taking a NYX On The Rise mascara. This is a mini. I got this at Ulta because I spent too much money. So just to be clear, okay, just to be clear, Me, I'm doing a falsie if I'm going to school, okay? Sometimes I would even just do only lashes. I still do that to this day. I would just do brows and lashes sometimes, but I'm appealing to the masses right now. I know not everybody is gonna, most people actually aren't gonna want to wake up and put that lash on and get it right, get it tight. All right, moving on to the face, I'm taking the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation. So the reason I'm gonna be using this foundation is, in my opinion, I have combination skin and this foundation does not seem to move a lot on me. Obviously, if you're gonna be under fluorescent lighting for 7 to 9 hours, you don't want a foundation that's gonna move around on you. That'd just be terrible. Come on. So I have the NYX Can't Stop, Won't Stop. Just take whatever foundation will really stay into place for you, but also will allow your skin to breathe. You don't want your skin under a dang clay foundation for 9 hours, you know what I mean? So my pump broke on this foundation and I mentioned it on here once and I was like, anybody else's Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation pump broke? And a bunch of y'all said yes. Not only that, I think it was Patricia Bright, I think. Either way, it was some other makeup YouTuber that posted using the Can't Stop, Won't Stop foundation and their pump was broken too. And I was like, okay, so it's not just me breaking everything I own. Good to know. I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. The fastest way to blend out your foundation is gonna be a beauty blender, but recently I've just been obsessed with using a brush. But if you want to kind of follow the format of this back to school makeup and you are gonna be in a rush for time, go ahead and grab that beauty blender. Do as I say, not as I do. The beauty blender is of course gonna be faster. And of course we know the coverage, the finish is always good with the beauty blender. I've just been really into the brush lately. High school was just absolutely horrible for me. A bunch of girls didn't like me for literally no reason. And now they all try to be cool with me and they all like after high school, a bunch of them were like, oh, we should hang out. No, we shouldn't. They watched my Instagram stories and they're like, oh my God, you and Paul are so cute. You wanted us to break up when we were in high school. You ain't slick. Like, everybody just is so fake. It really is true. Like when people say, don't worry about what's going on in high school and middle school because you will not remember these people. I look at half the people I went to middle school and high school with and I'm like, bro, I forgot you existed. Like, it's so funny how that feels like the end of the world because that's your whole world right there. You know, the people that you go to high school with, like that's your little bubble. But realistically, those people don't matter. All right, that's enough preaching for now. Okay, moving on to concealer. I'm gonna take my Wet n Wild concealer. This is a concealer that's gonna make me look awake, okay? I'm gonna use this obviously to highlight under eyes, nose, chin, and then I'm gonna clean my brows with it as well. Of course, if we're waking up early, we want a concealer that's gonna make us look awake. So what I did with my concealer just now was I concentrated it closer to the nose and then I blended it out into the triangle shape. It just is more brightening that way, I feel. It's more concentrated under your eyes rather than like all, you know, in a triangle all on your upper cheekbone. There were honestly very few days of my high school career that I wasn't late. Especially in my senior year, ooh, you couldn't tell me nothing. My senior year, every day I had half days. So I only went to 2 classes. Was it 2? Yeah, because I got out at like 10:30. I only went to 2 classes every day of my senior year because I had more than enough credits. I did my 2 mandatory classes a day and I was out to the building. So if I'm running late, I'm like, I might as well stay home. I barely got any classes. You know what else makes you look awake? Blush. Blush honestly does make you look more awake. It makes you look like the blood is rushing to your face because you're smiling so much. I am only contouring my nose. I will contour my face if it's a special occasion. When I go to meet Mr. Barack Obama, maybe I'll contour my cheekbones then, but on a day-to-day basis, I just don't have no time. I also am not the best at contouring, honestly, which is why I don't do it every day, because I can contour my face really good or really bad. Now here's the thing, I do other people's makeup as well. I used to do it more before, but nowadays not so much. But I did work as a makeup artist and I did other people's makeup. I can contour the heck out of somebody's face. Like I will snatch your face. I will contour you all types of good. But I can't contour myself. All right, guys, this is the final step. So at this point, I have been filming for all of 22 minutes, which means I've been applying it super neatly because I'm on camera. I've been stopping to talk to you guys, and I've done the makeup and it's complete. So if it takes me 22 minutes to do this while I'm filming and I keep stopping to talk, and I'm doing it, you know, slowly and trying to be all precise, imagine how long this look would take if you just did it in the mirror real quick before you went to school. This is the finished look. It's so cute. All right, guys, I just showed you how to do a quick 10-minute face and eye makeup for back to school season. All the products are drugstore and cheap, and they all work well. They all will have you in and out. No doing your makeup for an hour, 2 hours before school. That's ridiculous. You need to get your sleep so that you can pass your test, okay? Because we graduating, period. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, leave me a like and a comment down below. Let me know what other kind of videos you want to see from me, and I will see you guys on my Instagram account. If I don't see you on the gram, then I will see you in my next video. Bye.
Girl, I know you wanna, you know I wanna. Yeah, she keep giving me look hotter than the 6 in the summer. Dead ass, girl, I want. Girl, I know you wanna.